What's up guys, welcome back to our channel and happy Valentine's Day. It is Monday today, Valentine's Day. Hope you guys had a great Valentine's Day because you guys probably won't be watching this until tomorrow, Tuesday. Just because when I'm done filming, I'm not gonna go home and edit. I'm gonna go and spend time with the kids and with Jay, and we're gonna do a bunch of like crafts and some baking and some chocolate covered strawberries and all that good stuff. So it gives you guys a chance to let me know down in the comments what you guys did for Valentine's Day and how you guys spent it. I would really love to read those comments. But we're here, we're back at CVS. We're doing the digital deals of the week, and I'm super excited because I really thought that there wasn't that many, but there are some that are like a little high out of pocket. But you guys know I just like to mention these deals. I like to let you guys know what deals you can do, like how you compare them, just in case you guys have better CRTs, just in case you guys happen to have like some paper coupons lying around and all that, so you guys can do the matchups with whatever you have. But yeah, some scenarios with, you know, using extra bucks and the digital coupons that we have available with the promos and the deals and all that stuff. So let's go into the store, let's do our deal. But quickly before doing that, I did want to mention I have been getting some questions about the Flooz app. If you guys haven't gotten in on the Flooz app, it is super easy, super convenient to use since we are couponing at CVS. You guys know we come to CVS, you either pay out of pocket with a, you know, your debit card or with cash. But if you use the Flooz app, you basically buy a CVS gift card, and then that is what you're gonna use to pay for your transaction. Now you're probably like, okay, well, how does that benefit me? It benefits you because with buying a CVS gift card from the Flooz app, you are gonna get cash back. Now if you sign up using my referral code Karlasavings, you get 3 vouchers. Those 3 vouchers will get you 35% cash back on each gift card that you purchase. So if you buy a $10 gift card, you're gonna get about almost $4 back. It's around like $3.90 or something like that. And so you can buy 3 $10 gift cards for CVS and you'll earn the cash back for each of them. After that, you would have to, you know, refer someone so you can earn more vouchers, or you can I know Flooz in November and then in January they gave vouchers away over on their Facebook page. I will always mention when they're giving away vouchers, or you can just, you know, purchase the gift cards without the vouchers, because I think it's about like a 4% when you don't have a voucher. So you guys should definitely take a look at the app. I 10 out of 10 recommend it. I normally always pay with the Flooz gift card unless I'm doing self checkout, but using a Flooz gift card does help you save a little more because you buy a $10 gift card, but if you get $3 back, it essentially makes that $10 gift card only $7. So you're saving an extra $3, and that's with using one of the vouchers, which gives you 35% cash back. But keep in mind, you either have to refer someone to earn more vouchers, or we'll have to like hang in there and wait for Flooz to give us more vouchers and all that. So if you guys have any questions on Flooz, let me know down in the comments. If you guys want to sign up, I will have the link in the description, and you guys can use referral code Karlasavings. But all right, let's go into the store and let me show you the deals that we got this week. All right guys, let's start off with some baby wipes. Now this is one of those deals that I was mentioning, like you guys can work with whatever CRTs you have to lower your out of pocket. Work with the money makers that we're getting this week from that buy 3 get $10 and extra bucks to pay for these baby wipes, because it's not the best deal, at least for me, because I don't have any good stacking CRTs. But if you guys have good stacking CRTs, then definitely worth it. This is normally how I get my baby wipes. I always get the CVS brand, which I will vouch for, guys. These are amazing. I absolutely love the sensitive ones, and I love this one here, the cucumber and green tea ones. These are my favorite. These are the ones that we use, so you can trust me, buy them. They're really great. Now the breakdown for this, these are priced $7.49 at my store. Let's not talk about the price inflation on these. They're buy one get one 50% off, and when you spend $25, you're gonna get $5 back in extra bucks. So we are gonna be picking up 4 of these packs. 4 of these, they have 3 of each inside. So this is why I say, like, it could be a really good deal because you're getting a lot of baby wipes at once. So we're gonna grab 4 of these, and then we're gonna grab 1 single pack of these, and it's priced $3.89. So now breaking it down, it is $7.49 times 1.5. That is gonna bring us to $11.23 for 2. And since we're buying 4, it's gonna be times 2. Plus we're gonna add the single wipe pack, which is $3.89. So $3.89. That is gonna bring us to $26.36. Now I do have a CRT for these. I have a $5 off 25. So we're gonna subtract that $5 CRT. That is gonna bring us to $21.36. Then we're gonna get our $5 back in extra bucks, making it $16.36 for our 4 packs and then our single pack. So that makes it a total of 13 wipey packs. So let's do divided by 13. Makes it $1.25 per pack. So definitely not a bad deal, but like I said, if you have other CRTs that you can stack on top of this, definitely check the CVS app. There we go. Next deal I wanted to mention was going to be on the Halls Cough Drop. My store only has a few left. Now this is the same deal we did a few weeks ago. It is a buy 2 for 4, and then when you buy 2 you get $1 in extra buck. So after our extra bucks, it makes it $3 for the 2, which is $1.50 each. So that is definitely not a bad deal if you guys want to do it again. But I did want to mention it just in case you guys got any CRTs for the hauls, because if you bought them last time, normally you get CRTs based on your purchases. So maybe it might have triggered a CRT to lower your out of pocket for these and possibly make them cheaper. So just throwing it out there. Next thing we have is going to be on the Nivea Shave Gel. These are back on the same promotion as well. Buy 2 and get $5 back in extra bucks. So we don't have any digital coupons this time, but we do have an Ibotta rebate. You're going to get $1.25 back for each of these. And we're going to be grabbing these here, the ones that are $4.99. And check your accounts to see if you have a CRT. I have a $2 off a 10 Nivea Shave. So we're going to be using that CRT with this deal. We're picking at 2, so breaking it down, it is $4.99 times 2, brings us to $9.98 minus our $2 CRT, leaves us to pay $7.98. We'll get $5 back in extra bucks, making it $2.98 for the 2, but then we are going to get $1.25 times 2 back from Ibotta, making it only 48 cents for the 2. Okay, here we go. Next that we have is going to be on some Colgate toothpaste, which my store is still out of the ones that are normally on sale. So we have certain toothpaste on sale for $3.99. Buy 2 and get $5 in extra bucks. Now don't confuse that with the ones that are $4.99. Buy 2 get 5. We are grabbing the ones that are $3.99. So we're going to pick up 2 of these, and we have a $2 off digital. So buying 2 of these, our total is going to be $8 minus our $2 digital, brings us down to $6. We'll get $5 back, making it $1 for the 2. But you guys already know we don't pay for toothpaste. You're going to take your receipt over to coupons.com, the app, and submit it for the other toothpaste that we didn't use a digital coupon on, making it a $1 moneymaker. So you're going to get $2 back from coupons.com, use the $2 digital, and then get $5 in extra bucks, makes it a $1 moneymaker. Next deal, this is one of those deals where use the CRTs that you have to lower your out of pocket, or if you have any paper coupons lying around. We have the Speed Stick. It is priced buy 1 get 1 50% off this week, and when you buy 2 you're gonna get $2 back in extra bucks. So at my store they're $3.89, so we're gonna be picking up 2. It is gonna be $3.89 times 1.5. It's gonna make it $5.83 for 2 of them. Now I do have a CRT. I think it is like a $1 off 1 CRT. So that'll leave me to pay $4.83. We'll get $2 back, making it $2.83 for the 2, which is going to be $1.41 each. Now that definitely is high for Speed Stick. We normally like to get the Speed Stick around 25 cents to 50 cents. So if you guys have any other CRTs to lower your out of pocket for this deal, highly recommend checking your app. Another deodorant deal is going to be on the Axe. These are buy 1 get 1 50% off, and when you buy 2 you're going to get $3 back in extra bucks. So we're going to be picking up one of the body sprays. It is priced $6.29, and one of the deodorants that is priced $7.49. Look what I found. Someone left coupons for the Degree. I love when people do this. And the Degree is actually on sale for the same promotion, so someone can definitely use these. I'm gonna leave them like right here so that they can see them better. But all right, back to the breakdown. So we're gonna be grabbing those 2 deodorants. I am gonna be using a CRT for the Axe, and then we're gonna be using a $1 off digital. So since we're grabbing 2 deodorants different price, our cheapest one is gonna be the one that we're gonna get 50% off, which is gonna be the $6.29 one. So we'll do $6.29 divided by 2, brings us to $3.14 for that one, plus $7.49 for our deodorant stick, making it $10.63. Now I wanted to get to $10 because I'm gonna be using that CRT. That's $2 off 10 packs. So minus the $2 CRT, the $1 digital, It's gonna bring us to $7.63. We'll get $3 back in extra bucks, making it $4.63 for the two, which is $2.31 each. Now we're almost at the end of our deal, so we're gonna end off with some hair care deals. I found this one as I was walking. It was tagged. We have this brand here. It is on sale for $5. Buy one, get $2 back in extra bucks. Makes one of these only $3. And they have a couple of items that qualify for that. So if you know anyone that uses this item, I'm not sure if it qualifies for like a hair CRT, but if you need a filler for, you know, those big threshold CRTs, definitely a great filler item. Another one I found is the Suave. It's on sale for $3.49. Buy one and get $1 in extra buck. So it makes it $2.49 after our extra buck. Definitely check to see if you have any CRTs for these or if we have any coupons. They also have the Suave Kids part of this promotion. Next deal that we have is going to be on the OGX shampoo and conditioner. These are buy one get one 50% off. When you buy two, you're gonna get $4 back in extra bucks. So we're gonna be picking up two, and here at my store, they're priced $8.49. Breaking it down, it is $8.49 times 1.5, brings us to $12.73. Now we have a $2 off two digital coupon for these in the CVS app that we all have. So minus two brings us to $10.73. This is what we're gonna pay if we don't have any extra bucks. But if we do have extra bucks, go ahead and roll a $4 in extra bucks, since that's what we're gonna get back, making it $6.73 for the two, which is $3.36 each. Now we also have a printable coupon for these on coupons.com. If you can print that coupon, it'll stack with the digital coupon as long as the cashier scans the printable coupon before pressing total and before the digital coupon attaching. If they do that first, scan the coupon first, the digital coupon and the printable coupon will both attach, saving you an extra $2, making it $4.73 for the two. Now for our last deal of the week, we have the Tresemme shampoo and conditioner. Super easy, super common deal. They're on sale 2 for $10. Now for these, we have a $4 off two digital coupon, and when you buy two of these, you're gonna get $2 back in extra bucks. So picking up two, our total is gonna be 10 minus our $4 digital. That'll bring us down to 6. Once again, that is what you're gonna pay if you don't have any extra bucks. But if you have extra bucks, roll a $2 extra bucks, since that's what we're gonna get back, making it only $4 for two, which is $2 each. Now remember, the Tresemme also has hair stylers, has all these treatments that are also part of the same promotion, 2 for $10, and just scan the product that you want to grab in the CVS app and double check that that $4 off two attaches. I'm pretty confident it does. Last time I think I got these here and that $4 off two was attaching. Also, another scenario for that Tresemme coupon, that $4 off two digital, if you read it, it says it applies for the Dove. So it'll apply for the Dove stylers. Now the Dove stylers really doesn't have a lot. I'm not sure. I don't think these are part of the promotion because they don't have tags. And then I tried to price check them, but they're not scanning. But the hairspray is. So they have them 2 for $10 as well. And they're buy two and get $2 in extra bucks. It is the same promotion as the Tresemme, so you can either do the Tresemme or you can do the Dove stylers. It is the exact same breakdown, so it'll end up being $4 for the two after the digital coupon and the extra bucks, making it $2 each. But check your accounts because I do have a $1 off a Dove hair CRT, which is attaching to the stylers. So that does save us an extra $1, which ends up making it $3 for the two, which is $1.50 each. So a slightly better deal, but you need to check your account to see if you have a CRT for those. Here we go. Now those were all the deals, but I quickly wanted to mention for that buy 3 and get a $10 extra buck. I saw Sacktown couponers share this on Instagram after I had shared the video. They have the Mr. Clean Freak. I think it's like a cleaning mist, I guess. It's like a spray. These look really nice and they're part of the promotion as well. They're on sale for $5.50. Buy 3 get a $10 extra buck. So it's the exact same breakdown as the Dawn. It ends up being $6.50 for the 3, which is not a bad price. And I know someone had mentioned that they have a 5 off 25 like cleaning CRT. You know, it includes like the Dawn. So if it includes the Mr. Clean, which I'm pretty sure it will, you can definitely do a deal out of that. You can grab either 5 of these or you can mix and match with the Dawn that clearly is not here anymore. But you can mix and match those 5 items, use that 5 off 25 CRT, get a $10 extra buck, and I think it makes it like $12.50 for all 5, which is a good deal. And that's not counting coupons. I also wanted to quickly mention that so many people are telling me that their store was wiped out by, you know, noon or so and so. This is how my store is looking, guys. So I know this deal was gonna, you know, have the Dawn flying off the shelf. But one thing that I don't see anyone mentioning, rain checks. Guys, if you haven't seen my CVS, all to know about CVS in-store shopping or my CVS couponing, go ahead and check out that video because I do mention rain checks in there, which you can grab a rain check for the Dawn. And then when they have the Dawn either next week or the week after that, you guys can stock up with a rain check for the exact same sale price and the exact same promotion. Alright guys, I am home now. I actually really loved the digital deals this week. However, I didn't get good CRTs because, like I had mentioned, I lost one account because they stole all my extra bucks. So I don't have any really good CRTs to pair with these digital deals. So again, I'm gonna skip out on the digital deals, but I might be doing the paper deals this week. Hopefully tomorrow I have some energy because I know that, you know, tonight we're gonna like celebrate and all that, and hopefully I'm not drained and I'll be able to go do the paper deals. But I did want to say, no one better make me cry because I feel like I was huffing and puffing all over this video and it's Jay's fault. He didn't have any masks in the car. So I took one of these that was in there. Yes, I took one of these masks and look at this. This is like so thick. I was like, I couldn't breathe through the mask. Premium. Okay, I couldn't breathe through the mask, and like from the, you know how some of the stuff is at the bottom, like I had to get bed down and get up, like in the Halls clip I was like, I can't breathe. I was like, I'm dying. So I went and I asked CVS if they had a mask, and apparently, did you guys know that they're giving free masks right now? They're giving these. They put them in these little baggies, but you have to ask the cashier. They're not gonna give them to you. You have to ask them, and they give you a set of 3.
Ooh, so, let me see. I want one. So
you guys can get these. So then I put one of these on. And it's worse because they go like behind your head, and it was like squeezing my nose, and I was like, yeah, it's just not happening. At one point I just wanted to give up on the video because I couldn't breathe, but I stuck through it. So no comments and no going back and checking on my huffing and puffing either, okay? But alright guys, that is going to be all for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to sign up for Flues. I have the link in the description, and use promo code Karlasavings. We'll see you in our next one. Bye, and happy Valentine's Day.